What's going on, y'all? It's Dime, and today we're going to be getting into making a knife slip. We're going to be making it for this CRKT Radic. It's a really nice knife. I enjoy it. The action on it's really smooth. I love it. This is a Steigerwalt design CRKT. The only thing I don't like about it is that it's tip down carry on the pocket clip. So we're going to be taking that off and making a slip for it. Let's get to it. And before we get to the build, I want to say this design, the first place I saw it, we're going to be doing a Coffin design. I cut this stencil out of some plastic to be able to transfer the leather. You can see how it's going to lay on there, or in there. I got this design from Georgia Adventurer. He's a good guy. He makes really good content, really great leather work. Y'all should go check him out if you haven't. He's a good dude. Tell him I sent you. Well, let's get into the build. Alright, y'all. And to get this pocket clip off, we're going to be using the Icon Mini Ratcheting Bit Kit. This is a great little setup. If y'all don't have one or have tools like this, I highly recommend it. This thing, this little indexing, locking ratchet, this flex head ratchet, it's a great little thing. You can use this as an extension to get longer reach, or it can be for your bits to go in here. And if you line up it the right way, it passes through, and now you have a T-handle, because this is also 1/4 inch down here. So you have a T-handle. This is a great little tool. I highly recommend it if you don't have one or have a tool like this, something similar, that working on knives and stuff. I recommend it. Let's get to taking this thing apart. And I'm going to go ahead and keep these screws and stuff the way I'm going to do it. Take a piece of masking tape. I throw my clip on here and my 2 screws in here. And then I'm going to fold it over. And then right on here real quick. Now I got my parts put up. Ain't gonna lose those little screws, it's all one package. Alright, we got my piece of leather and my stencil. Let's get this thing transferred over and cut out. Alright, and I got a new tool. Try this thing out. Little round razor knife. We're gonna try this thing out, see how it works. Not too bad. Just gotta hold it at the right angle, it works pretty good. Man, I'm a big fan of this. I think this is awesome. If you work with leather and you don't have one of these, I highly recommend it. This thing is awesome. I love it. There's one more pieces. Get this other one push up. Alright, we got our pieces cut. Let's get these edges beveled, and then we'll put in the groove for the stitching and get this thing punched and stitched up. Alright, got that stitching done. Let's get this wax put on here, on these edges, and get them finished up. This is just beeswax. It's not perfect. I messed up in a few spots, but it's alright. This ain't gonna last too long in a pocket anyway, constantly. So, it'll be alright. I'm going to melt this first layer of beeswax in, and I'll go over to the second layer and then the burnishing tool. And this just melts that wax into the fibers of the leather. Helps finish them, see how dark those got. Just need to go over and get the wax and it'll darken up pretty evenly. Go over them again real quick. Alright, got those edges pretty good. They're going to wear anyway from being in a pocket, so I ain't too worried about it. Let's get this thing wetted down and then stamped. Alright, we're just going to be using my American flag stamp from Tandy leather. That's what we're going to be using. And I do have my custom logo on the way now. It's in the works right now, getting a new custom stamp made. So that'll be here in the next couple weeks. But until then, we're going with the American flag. It's pretty good. I think that turned out pretty well. Let's see how this knife fits in here. And again, this is the CRKT Radic. It's a Steigerwalt design. This is 60/40 steel. See how this fits in here. It's going to be a tight fit until, you know, the leather stretches to fit it. It'll shape. I'm happy with that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments of this project. I appreciate y'all watching. If you aren't subscribed and you watch this channel, you find yourself coming back often, please subscribe. It helps me out a lot, and I'd really appreciate it. We're trying to get to 1,000 subs this year, and everyone helps. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed. Share it with some family or friends if you think they might like this kind of content. And yeah, guys, until next time, this has been Dime. Thank you very much for watching.